How I improved my English by using social media. When I started learning English, I did not spend even single rupees. I did not buy any classes or enroll any courses. I mastered this language by using social media. When I started learning English, I did not have anything. One thing I had in my hand, that was my phone. Well, in today's video I am going to show you how can you improve your English by using social media without investing any single rupees. So without further delay, let's get into the main video. First thing that you need to do, change your phone setting in English language. When I started learning English, I changed my phone setting in English language. I started following native speaker who speak only English. I started following pages on Instagram, Facebook, on YouTube who teaches us English. So after doing this thing, whenever you open your phone, you will find someone who speak English. So by doing these things, you will used to it in English language. So switch your phone language from your mother tongue that you are watching into English language. So if you do this thing, it means you are creating English environment around you. This thing helped me a lot. So you can do the same thing and you will see magic in within 60 days. Second thing, start watching video as much as you can. When I started learning English, I used to watch 5 to 10 video every single day. There are so many video available on YouTube free of cost that you can watch them. You can watch movie, you can watch podcast, you can watch anything that you have interest on. And not just watch, pick their word, what they say and write it down in your dictionary and figure out their meaning and use them in your conversation or sentences. So it will build your vocabulary, it will train your brain to think in English, it will train your mouth to speak. So do these things every single day. And third, record yourself on your phone and watch it again and again and upload it on your social media. I know it's going to be cringy, but it's very powerful technique that every single person used in order to improve their spoken English or improve communication skill. So you can do the same thing. When I started learning English, I used to record my video on my phone and I used to upload on my Instagram. So you can do the same thing. It's going to be very powerful technique. So after doing these things, you will know your confident, you will know your body language, you will know your tone, you will know your body language. So do these things until you satisfied on your English level. Use ChatGPT in order to improve your English. Whenever I did not understand any particular word, then I used to go to the ChatGPT and give him this prompt. Hey ChatGPT, can you explain about something about this particular word with example? Then ChatGPT break it down everything about that particular word. So you can do the same thing. And second thing, whenever you can't able to understand or whenever you have doubt about in your sentence, then paste your that particular sentence on ChatGPT and ChatGPT will improve your that particular sentence with right grammar and right pronunciation and right spelling mistake. And another thing that you can do with ChatGPT, you can talk on any situation to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT, whenever you made mistake, ChatGPT will correct your sentence or grammar mistake. And last and very most important thing that you need to do in order to improve your English, practice. If you really want to be fluent in English, then you will have to practice your English. Well, how will you do practice? Well, don't worry, I have a solution for you. You can use different AI tool in order to practice your English. You can use Elsa Speak, you can use Supernova AI, you can use ChatGPT, you can use Cake or Duolingo, and there are so many AI tools available out there that you can use in order to improve your English, in order to practice your English. When I started learning English, ChatGPT helped me a lot through my whole journey, and ChatGPT helped me a lot. Whether you talk about practice, whether you talk about my vocabulary, whether you talk about my practice set, so ChatGPT talk to me every single day. And it will not just talk to you, it will improve your mistake whenever you will. So it will improve your pronunciation, it will build your vocabulary and lot more thing that you need to do in order to improve your English. Now I am going to end this video. If you found this video helpful, then make sure hit the subscribe button, give it a like and share with your friend who want to improve your English by using social media. So I will see you in the next video. Bye people.